In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively manage your courses on Udemy using the platform's archiving feature. This is especially useful if you find yourself having too many courses cluttering your dashboard and want to keep things tidy. By following these steps, you'll be able to easily organize your learning experience. To begin, let's navigate to your My Learning page on Udemy. This is your primary hub for all enrolled courses. Once there, you'll notice a comprehensive list of all the courses you're currently taking or have access to. Now, if there's a course you want to organize and perhaps temporarily remove from sight, it's straightforward. Hover over the course that you wish to manage. You'll see three vertical dots, often referred to as the More Options menu. Go ahead and click those dots. This brings up a small drop-down menu with several options. Here, you'll want to click on the Archive option. By doing this, you're not deleting the course. Instead, you're simply moving it to a separate section, keeping your main learning page clean and decluttered. Now, let's say you've archived a course but later decide you want to revisit it. To access your archived courses, look for the Archived tab, typically found in the upper section of your My Learning page. Click on this tab and voila! All the courses you've previously archived will appear here. Once you're in the Archive tab, you might decide that there's a course you're ready to unarchive. Just like before, hover over the course and click on the three dots. In the menu that appears, click Unarchive. This action moves the course back to your main course list, making it easily accessible once again. And there you have it. A simple yet effective way to manage your Udemy courses using the archive and unarchive features. By organizing in this manner, you can create a more focused and manageable learning environment, returning to courses when it suits your schedule without any clutter or confusion. This method is particularly helpful for learners who frequently enroll in new courses, allowing you to focus on what's immediately important while keeping other learning materials readily available for future reference. Thanks to these straightforward steps, you can ensure a seamless and personalized learning experience tailored to your unique needs. Enjoy your organized study journey on Udemy.